Hi students, let's work through solving multi-step equations. Our first equation is 11x minus 4 equals 29. That's our original equation. We do not work our original equation. We write the equation and it's the same. 11x minus 4 equals 29. Then I want you to come down and draw a line which will represent what we do to one side of the equation you will do to the other. Now, we want to always start with the first term that's furthest from the variable. In this case, our variable is x. So we're not going to start with 11. 11 is right next to the x. So let's start with the negative 4. So to have the 4 to cancel out, we're going to undo it with addition. Therefore, we're going to add 4 to both sides of our equation. Now, of course, you must show that the 4's cancel out. All right, and I want you to come down and rewrite everything. So now we just have 11x is equal to, so let's go ahead and add what that number is. We know 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry that 1, we have 33. All right, our new equation is 11x equals 33. Well, now we only have to move the 11 now. We know two numbers side by side means multiplication. We're going to undo multiplication by using division. So we're going to divide by 11 on both sides of the equation. We know that the 11s will cancel out, and you have to show that it cancels out. So we have x is equal to 33 divided by 11 is 3. Okay, and of course, you know, we do want you to check these by putting the 3, substituting the 3 back into the original equation and see if we have a true statement. Let's just move on to another equation. We'll deal with the checking process in class. Let's look at a plus 7 divided by 8, and that is equal to 5. Let's rewrite our equation. This is our original equation. So we have a plus 7 equals 5, and that's divided by 8. All right. Now let's look at this equation. We see that we have a number in the denominator. So we know we can't have that, so we're going to have to get rid of the 8 that's in the denominator. We see that we have a division bar, so what we're going to do, we're going to undo the division with multiplication. So let's put our parentheses. You're going to put the parentheses to show multiplication. We're going to multiply both sides of that equation by 8. I'm sorry, it's kind of difficult to hold the phone and write this. So I'm multiplying this by 8. So I'm so sorry. So I'll put 8 here, and I'm going to put an 8 over there. Well, of course, you see that the 8's will cancel out. So now we just have a plus 7, and that is equal to 5 times 8 is 40. All right, so now we need to have the a by itself. Remember, the goal is to get the variable by itself. We're going to undo addition with subtraction. So we're going to subtract by 7 on both sides of the equation. Well, we know that the 7's will cancel out. Just one moment here. I'm trying to get to my calculator over here. Oh, sorry. So the 7's will cancel out. So we have a is equal to, all right, we need to calculate 40 minus 7. And of course, that will give us 33. Box in our answer. And of course, we do want you to check that by substituting the 33 back into the original equation. And that's all it is to solving one-step equations. This is a little mini video that you can play over and over, and you can ask for additional help in class. Thank you.